Guys, I really like the Nano Dimension price action today. I'm going to pull up the chart. We're going to talk about it, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. We talk about stocks on this channel, and we talk about this company a lot. It's Nano Dimension. They just finished their direct offering, their $200 million shelf offering. It ended up being $210 million total. They finished their $60 million final leg of that direct offering yesterday. I made a terrible prediction and thought that we were going to have a few more weeks of trading before that happened, but I think this is a good thing like we talked about yesterday. So I really like the price action, and I want to talk about where I think the price might go over the next few days. And again, I've been wrong before, so I might be right wrong this time, but let's pull it up anyway. I want to talk about it. So right now, as I'm recording this, Nano Dimension is trading at $6.37, but we saw a low of $6.07. I talked about price action yesterday, where I think the stock might go, and I said I think we might find support right around $6, between $5.80 and $6. And I think we may have found support at $6.07. This is a really good thing. Really good thing. It bounced hard off of $6.07. If you look at this green candle here, and it popped right back up to $6.30. I think we could trade within a range of $6.30 to $6.50 for the rest of the day before I hope it pops back up to 52-week highs again. So that's what I'm looking for. A lot of you guys are making some big predictions for Nano Dimension over the next week or two towards the end of the year. I mean, some people are saying $10 by the end of the week. I think that's a little aggressive, but I think we could certainly see $7, $8 by the end of the week. Potentially, yeah, $8 I think is totally within reach. We had a high today of $6.89. I don't think we'll have any issue getting back to there. Remember, the previous high is $7.39. That's a 52-week high anyway. But I think we could get to $8 by the end of the week if we trade within a range and then we pop back up. I think people are really excited about this company right now, and it's starting to come on more and more people's radar. And I think that's a good thing. They are working on acquiring a company. There's a lot of speculation out there on what company they might be acquiring. Some of you are saying VoxelJet. I'll look into it. But from what I hear about that company, could be a really darn good partnership. Some of you are concerned and asking about what might happen if they buy another company. Now, let's say Nano Dimension acquires a public company. Traditionally, what happens in those cases, the company that is being acquired, their share price rises. And the company that is doing the acquiring, their share price dips a little bit. So that would be another potential buying opportunity. If Nano Dimension was to acquire a public company, there's a good chance that the price of Nano Dimension would fall and the price of the other company would go up. So it may be a chance to play both sides. Buy the other company, once the announcement happens, price goes up, maybe sell and buy back in Nano Dimension if you're into that kind of swing trading sort of thing. But I think it's more likely at this stage that Nano Dimension will acquire or buy a company that's private right now. And if that's the case, I think based on the idea of that company and what that company might do for Nano Dimension, that will drive the price up or down for Nano Dimension. If the sentiment is strong and we feel like Nano Dimension made a good decision in the company they're acquiring and we see a lot of potential with that acquisition, the price of Nano Dimension will naturally go up. If we think that they made a bad decision, and I'm talking us and institutional investors, right? Then the price of Nano Dimension is likely to fall. So there's another scenario too. Nano Dimension could be being acquired and gathering a bunch of cash for that sort of potential too. So keep that in mind. I don't know. A lot of us aren't talking about that, but there's a chance that that's happening too. So I wanted to give you some news on price action, where I think the price of Nano Dimension could go over the next few days to few weeks. And I wanted to talk about the potential acquisition and clear up maybe some misinformation and some questions that you guys may have on that. But again, I'm a dude on YouTube. I'm not an expert in any of this, and a lot of what we do with reading charts is guesswork. We can sort of predict what might happen, but you know, a lot of times it's a little bit of guesswork and some luck. But we've been right with some of this trading action before, I'm still really bullish on this company. I'm really excited. I really like the price action today, and I'm excited for you guys to get down there and talk about who you think they might acquire or they might be acquired by. Some of you guys are saying Desktop Metal. Some of you guys are saying some different aerospace companies. So let's keep that sort of dialogue coming. I really appreciate that sort of thing. And I know you guys appreciate it too. So, as always, if you didn't already do it, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.